Good morning, all of you students. We are doing the chapter electric current and its effect. In this chapter, we discussed about the heating effect of electric current, its uses, advantages, and disadvantages. Now, today I'm going to explain electric fuses. All of you know that the heat produced in a wire increases with an increase in the strength of current flowing through it. If therefore the current through a wire increases beyond a limit, the wire will become too hot and can even melt down and break. The amount of current at which meltdown occurs depends on the nature of the material used. We have put this fact to practical use in designing electrical fuses for our household circuits and for protection of different electrical and electronic devices. An electric fuse is a safety device which is used to limit the current in an electric circuit. The purpose of the fuse is to safeguard the circuit and appliances connected to it from getting damaged due to excessive heat caused by the flow of a large amount of current. There is always a maximum limit of the current which can safely flow through a given circuit or a given appliances. That means the amount of current which flow through a given circuit or given appliance safely, that is fixed amount. When the current in the circuit exceeds the specified maximum value due to there are some reason, when the uh, current is when the current in the circuits exceeds the specified value, the reasons are: number 1, short circuit, that is, touching of wires leads to short circuiting. Number 2, overload, more than one device or appliance connected to single socket. And third one is insulation breakdown. The wires may becomes overheated and this can even result in a fire. It is in such situation that the fuse plays its role. When we use a proper and correctly positioned fuse wire in the circuit, the fuse wire is the first to melt down when it gets heated up. This happens when the current in the circuit becomes close to or more than the specified safe limit of the circuit. As a result, a break is created in the circuit and current flow through it stops immediately. The appliances are thus saved from damages. The meltdown action of a fuse wire depends upon its current rating. The fuse wire must be of a current rating a little less than the maximum safe current which a circuit or appliance can withstand. The meaning of that is the fuse wire, the wire which is used in fuse, must be a current rating. That means the amount of current, the strength of current which flows through it is a little less than the maximum safe current which a circuit or appliance can withstand. For this reason, fuse wire of different kinds are used for different circuits and different appliances. It is very interesting to note that the meltdown limit of the current for a given fuse wire does not depend on its length. We very often use an alloy of tin and lead which has high resistivity and a low melting point for making the wires. We now also have an alternative of the fuse wire for our household circuit. Nowadays, there are miniature circuit breakers, MCBs, which are now commonly used as safety devices in our households. In the place of fuses, now MCBs are used. These are the alternative of fuse wires for our household circuits. MCBs are automatic electric switches which automatically turn off when the current exceeds its safety limit. Most of these switches work on the basis of the magnetic effect of current, and we will discuss that magnetic effect of current in next class. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.